Here's something nobody talks about. Some of the most financially stuck people are also the smartest people in the room. Not because they're doing something wrong, but because of what's happening inside their head. And real psychology can explain exactly why. Not the kind of broke where you have $0. The kind where you work hard, you're smart, you read the books, and somehow money never sticks. Kevin knows exactly how that feels. And if you've ever looked at your bank account and thought, I should be doing better than this video is for you. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Intelligence and financial success are not the same thing. Some of the smartest people in the room are living paycheck to paycheck, and some people who barely passed high school are building real wealth. Why? Because money doesn't reward how much you know. Money rewards how you behave. Your brain has two systems running at the same time. The logical brain, slow, rational, plans ahead, and the emotional brain, fast, impulsive, wants everything now. Smart people trust their logical brain. But here's the problem. When money is involved, the emotional brain almost always wins. A new phone, a sale, a treat-yourself moment. Logic loses every single time. Kevin just got paid. He opened his banking app. $2,400 in the account. It felt like a lot. 3 days later, $600 left. Nothing major happened, just small decisions. Coffee here, dinner out, one impulse buy. Smart people do this all the time, because income without a system is just money passing through. Smart people focus on earning more. Wealthy people focus on keeping more. Smart people read about money. Wealthy people build systems that move money automatically. Smart people save what's left at the end of the month. Wealthy people pay themselves first, before any expense. That one shift changes everything. It's not about how much you make. It's about what your money does while you're not watching it. There's another trap that catches smart people specifically. It's called the someday trap. Someday I'll start investing. Someday when I get a raise. Someday when things settle down. Someday is the most expensive word in personal finance. Because while you wait, compound interest is running. Just not for you, for someone else, who started 5 years earlier with half your income. Two people. Person A invests $200 a month at age 25. Person B waits until 35 and invests $400 a month. By age 60, Person A has more money. Not because they were smarter, not because they earned more, just because they started sooner. Time is the only asset you can't buy back. Quick pause here. If this is hitting close to home, you're not alone. And if this video is useful, hit the like button. It helps more people find this. Smart people fall into 3 financial traps more than anyone else. Trap 1. Lifestyle inflation. Every raise gets absorbed into a bigger lifestyle. Better car, bigger apartment, more subscriptions. Income goes up, savings stay the same. Trap 2. Invisible spending. Smart people justify every purchase logically. It's an investment in myself. I work hard. I deserve this. Small amounts, every day, adds up to thousands a year. Trap 3. Zero systems. Willpower is not a financial strategy. Without automation, even smart people spend first and save never. So what actually works? 3 things, simple ones. First, pay yourself first. Before rent, before food, before anything. Move 10% of every paycheck into a separate account the moment it arrives. Not what's left, what arrives. Second, automate everything. Set up automatic transfers on payday. Remove the decision entirely. You can't spend money that moves before you see it. Third, invest before you think about it. Open an index fund. Set a recurring buy. Forget it exists. Kevin did these three things, not perfectly, not all at once, one step at a time. And 6 months later, his bank account looked different for the first time in years. The goal isn't to have everything figured out. The goal is to start before you're ready. Because the smartest financial move isn't knowing the most, it's doing the basics, consistently, before your brain talks you out of it. Kevin wasn't perfect. He still bought coffee. He still made mistakes. But he stopped waiting for someday, and that changed everything. Next week, Kevin runs into the trap that keeps most people broke, even when they think they're doing everything right. It's not about spending. It's not about saving. It's something completely different, and almost nobody talks about it. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. And if you know someone who's smart, works hard, but can't seem to get ahead financially, send them this video. It might be exactly what they need to hear.